Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to swap crypto in Trust Wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Trust Wallet application, which of course you're going to be asked to either enter your passcode or your biometrics. Now after doing that, it's going to take you into this homepage where you can now explore a little features to have an exciting time in the Trust Wallet. So now that we're in here, let's see what Trust Wallet is about. Now, Trust Wallet is a secure self-custody crypto wallet supporting 10 million plus assets across 70 plus blockchains, including crypto. Now, you can buy, sell, swap, transfer, and earn cryptocurrencies all in one beautiful space that is called the Trust Wallet. So now that we know what the Trust Wallet is about, let's hop into today's text, which is how to swap crypto in Trust Wallet. Now, there are different ways that you can swap crypto in Trust Wallet, and I'm just going to take you through the step-by-step processes in just a couple minutes. So from this homepage, you're going to see the send, receive, buy, sell, and of course history. And right below, you're going to find cryptocurrencies. So let's say we want to swap BTC. So you can click on the coin, or you can click on the crypto, let's say coin. Once you click on that, if you want to swap BTC, you can see the send, receive, swap, and more option. Now click on swap. And once you click on swap, it's going to take you to this window where you can now swap from BTC to whatever cryptocurrency that you want to change it to. Let's say this is Ethereum. You can click on that Ethereum. You're going to find a couple more options to select the coin that you want to swap it with. Let's say WETH. So click on that and say this is not available. So once you see this option that says, wow, it's not available in the swap option, you can now use the next step of the swapping process, which is the browsing option. Okay, first off, let's go with the sell option before we use our browser. So you can now sell. That's by sending. You can send sending the coin to another wallet, and once you send it to another wallet, a third-party wallet, let's say for example Bybit, so you can send the coin to Bybit, and then once you get into Bybit and you receive the money or receive the coin in Bybit, you can now swap it from there. And how do you do that? Click on the crypto that you want to send, and from here click on the send option, and in here you're gonna have to enter the address. So get over to Bybit and copy the address of the token that you want to swap. So type in that address here, or the domain name, or you can even use the scan option to scan the code of that address in your Bybit app, and then click on the amount that you want. And once you click on the amount, go ahead and click on next. Once that transaction is completed, head over to Bybit and swap from there. The third option is to use the browser option. So check the bottom of your screen, you're going to find home, swap, earn, discover, browser. So click on browser. Now in this browser, there are different third-party sites that you can swap. One of them is the Pancake Swap. So go ahead and type in Pancake Swap, which is here. So you're going to take a Pancake Swap.finance. So once you head over to Pancake Swap.finance, you can also swap using Pancake Swap. So here you go. So this is still loading up. Loading up the currencies. So here you have ETH. So you can click on that, where you have the Ethereum. Select the token that you want to swap. Let's see, I'm going to leave it at Ethereum. And what do you want to swap it to? So select another token that you want to swap it for. And then after that, go ahead and select the amount. Let's say ETH, I want 1,000. This is what I'm going to get as a cake. That's this cake token. The balance is going to be up there. So now it says I have insufficient ETH balance, but if you do, you're going to see an option that is going to allow you to proceed to the next step. Once the transaction is completed, you will see that your Ethereum has been swapped into cake, or has been swapped for cake. So that's pretty much the processes. These are the steps that you can take to swap crypto in Trust Wallet. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.